If you're trying to grab the 10 best Dollar Tree garden finds before they're gone, you're in the right place. Most gardeners overspend at big box stores, but you know overpriced garden centers are the real enemy. Today you'll get the exact $10 tree finds that transform your yard. At minute 5, a hack saves you $20. What's the priciest thing you ever bought for your garden? Best answer gets a full breakdown next video. Your first stop is American Seed County Packets. At 31 cents per pack, you match $4 big box seed quality easily. You pick up extra gardening gloves for less than half the price of home improvement stores, stash them everywhere. Don't overlook the pet treat canisters. At 7 to 8 inches wide, they outclass $20 boutique planters instantly. Head to the kitchen aisle and grab vegetable storage containers with removable baskets, your DIY self-watering system. Metal trellises go fast. You want them in place before plants climb. Cleaner harvest, better airflow, zero waste. Stackable 3-tier planters run just $5 and let you grow strawberries or herbs vertically, maximizing your space. Wire mesh waste baskets from the office aisle become plant helmets, better than glass cloches for pest protection. Solar bead stake lights and floral branch stakes offer designer lighting for a few bucks, gentle, lasting curb appeal. Grab hula hoops from the toy aisle, slice and arch over beds, season tunnels for less than $5, serious frost protection. Over-the-door shoe organizers create a vertical sanctuary for herbs or strawberries. Your back will thank you. Pool noodles cut into discs lift your heavy pots, improved drainage, no stained deck, $10 saved per pot. Skip the garden aisle's potting soil and watering cans. They're notorious for compressed clay that suffocates roots. Flimsy decorative pots crack the moment you drill holes. They won't support wet soil's weight, avoid the trap. Shred Irish Spring soap for pennies and scatter around your beds. Deer and rabbits avoid the scent barrier. If one hack just replaced a $20 product for you, tap like. Help push this instead of overpriced garden centers. You don't need a boutique's budget for a high-end look. Repurpose glass candlestick holders as unique plant stands. Pool noodle risers aren't just for patios. They work anywhere you want air and drainage under your containers. Try the stackable planters on your balcony for a vertical herb wall. No yard needed for results. Wire mesh waste basket, plant helmets, let light and rain in, destroying the myth you need glass cloches. Vertical shoe organizers are especially useful for limited space. Herbs and strawberries at waist height, easier on your joints. The kitchen aisle's self-watering system means your plants drink when they need, less maintenance, fewer chores for you. Don't ignore the sensory barrier. Irish Spring soap actually stops deer and rabbits, pennies for natural pest control. Which one of these would you actually commit to this season? Drop your answer in the comments below. American Seed County Packets offer non-GMO seeds at 31 cents, matching germination rates of $4 big box options easily. Trellises installed early keep vines off the ground, cleaner harvest, fewer pests, and stronger airflow for your vegetables. You're skipping overpriced brands by using hula hoops for tunnels, protecting crops from frost without $100 frames. Every time you use a Dollar Tree hack, you outsmart the myth that great results demand expensive products. Metal trellises don't just support plants, they increase sun exposure, maximize airflow, and keep your harvest spotless. Pet treat canisters outperform pricey planters, built-in drainage, solid construction, no power tools or drilling required. Skip the big box store for gloves. Dollar Tree means you always have a spare pair ready to go. You're not gardening, you're engineering curb appeal while your neighbor buys bags of amendments for no reason. Last time, someone shared that hula hoop tunnels saved their tomatoes from frost, exactly the kind of insider win we love. Every subscriber here is one less person paying $80 for a $5 solution. Thanks for joining the mission. What's your most unexpected Dollar Tree garden hack that actually worked? Drop it in the comments and surprise us.